Hakuna Matata, my country people are throwing a big salute for us today. You fit call me Michael, call me Congo Saman, Berguna no side open una legalize for talk about all the wonderful and terrible country that happen for inside this country. We'll get for Nakuna plenty story today for talk about chapters on young boy for that side for better with the meet up he died body yesterday for corner Lele Ge River for that side. All man the one that say wait to kill you. Oh na palavanku who did tramal we picking the smoker now. Oh na wait you. We will come back take una go that side. We will take una to go to back for Bamenda where Vincent Dumu government delegate for Bamenda City Council don nag big to talk say as business people don't decide for the obey people where they don't even know them. When they say to when a ghost town, they obey, lock their shop them. He lock their shop them yesterday. They don't even knock to talk to this. So all leaders them for market, it means say any man a big oga for business people. They go open other people that shop. But that leader their own shop, they go lock them. No ask me why. We will come back talk about that one. Take una to talk about back to school where Oga Kwata senior divisional officer for that for AD. I don't decide so me carry land board and police, gendarme, all them enter for road. Cash plenty motorists where they do it, they work for road, they don't get documented, they don't get come back anything. Another one too where they worry people there for outside. All man don't turn confused. So Palava Bishop for Bafia. They be check say Bishop he don't rest. At last. They don't put X for that Catholic church for that stuff. But they don't lock church. Sele, they lock church. Why they lock church? Now for Sika say, place where they bury father for inside church, they can make up fresh blood. Even for altar, they make up fresh blood. They don't carry the blood now. The blood they are on the other side. So they want to make tests for no who side the blood come out. They don't allow that lock church for that side. Christian for that side, they don't nearly confused, but they only pray God. So me, they don't refuse so confused. So today, as I come back after this small way, Master Jean Fanyo go press button for that side. Now he say we go enter for inside to read proper for such a karam. We go start for Nakuna Tori today for talk about Palava Anglophone crisis. Where yesterday, Manchu BBC, Agbo Palana, I appalled them justice, I appalled them they for that side for Kitu that caught them for that side, they be struggle for George and for Palava where they be whether yesterday again they go feel move them. Whether they go move them or they go say no, when I go back, they sit down for court today, they come for court around 5 o'clock yesterday for evening. So for talk about it today, Allah to say they don't allow so send the Palava for before so to say some trouble for inside the country with this. So when they catch you go lock up, you come for court today, man will get money they say they pay. But even they complain that according to how thing we reported they for us say so Masajan is go figure the image and so for Manchu Balad and so all them for us they take start they say so they don't know this their own Palava way since this Palava Anglophone trouble start with the catch and go lock up for that side or whether Jopre say the winner say me the highest justice, big oga for justice for that side. Didn't talk na Palava Papa Laurent and so they say so they winner Papa Popol. Say make it talk something, Tonight for Georgia matter. We don't know whether they were the one open the move for Georgia na Papa Popol go can she don't for cheer for Georgia and I will be majesty that they owner how no man of it talk because she don't say the Allah send the Palava for before today so they don't send them for before for number 5 day for September so all man don't say okay any idea na then go country, So for Palava didn't matter, Bamenda the rest. Yesterday say for night for Bamenda, any man will get small smoke. Master Jean Fanyo carry go and back for that side for Bamenda. So for talk about business for night for Bamenda. Any man want open smoke kiosk for Salam. Or kind of boys they so boys they be working for that. They tell say log your shop, log your small container. Log your container for Sika City. So as Oga Vincent Dumuron decide say me lock all shop them better me they just be locked. Because say as he don't lock and so if go standing at 2 days, you say after they do the ghost town for 2 days, you can lock store and 2 for 2 days. As ghost town will be Monday, business person can open shop for 6 months. He come to say no now. You can forgive your own ghost town. Say go give your own ghost town. He say all stores lock. Say as they don't decide, as business people don't decide to so many they obey people, they don't even see them invisible people according to the other they talk for that side. So now they go to obey to ye. where he be visible, when na he be the big oga because na he get all market them. Yeah? All man wants is how the thing go take side worker. It's kind of a lock market so we go take side worker allow sorry for the population. So may they release their population, may they release their brother, they don't catch and lock up for that side. The only way na Papa Popol get for open up. Because they say Papa Laurent, so they want down, pass it for that side. No ask me how. He go do pass you na Oga Kukwakota for Palava justice for inside this country. I wanna take side how Oga Vincent Ndumu for that side of Bamenda. They struggle for experience. Say this so business people them say he own na say so me they respect his own tori. As he don't talk so me they forget about Palava goes down, open the stores the every day. Except day where he go to so me they lock store, they don't get for listen for any. But any idea, more go back for that side here as Oga Vincent Ndumu talk. Then even with some one businessman for that side go try for them make it tell we. They scared they don't lock their shop so they feel fine, they punk wait till they go on. And why they lock the shop them? But move first time Oga Vincent Ndumu make it tell we before one come to for this other trader where go tell we how they take side for enjoy this matter for that side for Bamenda.
That's the administration, not all of the city council, but of the region, of the division, and of this country in general. We will also impose a certain kind of penalty against you people. And that's the reason why the markets of the Bamenda City Council was closed today. So that they take up the measurement of respecting ghost town up to even 3 days by people who have no direct relationship with them. And in addition to that, we've selected all the leaders of the various unions within the markets, and we are going to seal all their sheds until they are capable of bringing order within our various markets, as they have been doing whenever it means contesting against any decision by the city council or the administration.
The problem is, it was being reviewed to us last week on Saturday when we had a meeting with the government delegate. And the problem was, it told us that if we are sitting in their house, we should know that we are killing some of the people. But us, we say that we are not killing nobody. We have not complained. He said that if we are not killing nobody, we are killing some of the people. We say that is lie. Then later on, he said that if we does not want to come and open our shop on Monday, if our shop keep on locked, he will come and help us and lock it for us. All of us, we have to say, let it be. If we are the children and we are crying, Father, we have a problem. For the father to come and say, my son, this is how you will do. This is I will solve it for you. But yet the father keep on beating us. What can we do? So we are asking for the government to show us a solution out of this. We believe that he's our father. If he was not our father, we will not respect him all the time. Even we will not be where we are today. It's because of the respect that we are giving as our father. They are there because we are here, and we are here because they are there. So they need to show us the love that we deserve, and we need to show them the love that they deserve. If now they are not showing that love for us, then we, when your pig does not is hungry and you does not give him food, what the pig can even turn and eat you. So this is the time for our government to really see into this crisis and bring it out of us. Our children are suffering. We are suffering. The poor are suffering. The widows are suffering. The orphans are suffering. Let them stop it. Because if they does not do that, know that the God who created everybody will finally show the last thing. Thank you.
Oga Vincent Ndumu nak tori talk say all leaders them for Bamenda. Whether they lead business people, them, if you be president for market, you be leader for among all those business people, them, they go do it. They go open other people that shop them, but that leader that shop, they go lock up. So that means that leader, they put pressure for the people. No ask me whether that one na Sadio commander for up or commander Bamenda any idea na you know what way. It is struggle for doing for that sense of control we own only for Chakara on the territory for Memuna not to happen for inside this country. May we take una go time this time around for better yesterday they discuss on young boy he die body for that side way take side way to fall but all man one another this boy the way they work accident for corner road and go the wash motor for Lille get river for that side where they talk to this so this young man the only come the water so he no even deep reach 1 meter. People they can wash motor for the best skin. People they can wash motor for the. People they can pack their motor for that side. So some boy gonna say they go carry water. Discover that, but now we can tell their own oga where they struggle man. If that say he don't go carry water, say some boy they for the in the sink. Now we they run after me, they go look and they want go look how the boy don't sleep straight, die like a ruler. But man wanna escape the beat and a beat him, can't throw him. On this palavanku and tramol. Eh? We picking the smoke and not side by side. The body the worker say, I dey say shy. But we I say, escape hello bon shy. You go ask you come when they see and say this so you don't be kitu. It look your face fine. If na small boy one time you go move that tablet, put it inside tea gear for you take a begin drink and so begin chakara your brain for that side so they take sign and call firefighting brigade them too. Then too they do their own small kind work for that side. They rush can for that side and can do it now. Do it enter inside the water, move the diabolic carry and after so many go time for mortuary so for go take side for course animal way this could know the picking make it come for that side. If you are picking non love for that side for better come for that side can't take the diabolic because this so he don't alas it die na die for that side but me papa or mama became advice picking no tramol and cool no fine no. Now they make you the gather courage. You see water where they small so chance na plenty water now they die but that so take side is slip for down they so people will take side begin na kuna theory will so remain for that side so people but we will learn for that side for Bafia for talk about Palava Bishop. Where Bishop Bala? Now can't trouble you we don't enter you so they not gonna leave you me rest. Eh? Now to the new church they were put for Bafia, they will watch because for Sika so Sele for church. Now Oga Bishop he church and for year now the church will be take start for manager for that and for take so me all to making work takes work and for they will allow very way. They don't can lock church since from Monday morning time we put the clean church. They come for church time they some they take side for knock morning prayer. They want to wait for play with the bury Oga Bishop they discover say so fresh blood is there on top. For that play with fresh blood, they come out again, they want to go for altar, they discover again another fresh blood. Now they are like, oh, this one now kind of thing. No bishop never ever die for Cameroon. When come back, kind Gribu, would you come back, kind trouble them? Did it happen like the one that happened for Bishop Benoit Bala? Where people that die with the accompany, it means they don't die like you want. Because that kituma way we want we be accompany me mom a last sleep heaven just know it's open like say so turn that the one come on for day with they prepare with a movie for that side so all man the only one say why all this kind terrible kind thing only the condition for a kind die for that side the so you don't allow staying go na talk so many allow to do it after we father and two bishop they hold the house money government decided so many lock the church first for struggle see how they go take that blood they don't carry the blood go to the young they say they want go make tests some people don't say master. They don't carry them again and go. They don't take it. They want go put them for laboratory for taking whether that blood na bishop is blood or na who is blood so for chapter for inside all that kind of one so they say so in na so there was more time they also can talk so that blood na so say this so any idea they all they will talk they only agree and but bishop them too will say them too they go take to their own small blood go do their own but now they don't think na only big oga for Vatican go fit call say they open back that church. Some parents said they had not only fear if you tell me say me enter that church say no that church is on Gribu did it. Say pop on Gribu and come back and trouble to it happen for that side for Bafia as I take one or two Korokoro and so on people. More continue to talk about Palava schools with the come back mojo break for that side for a day away. Oga quarter senior divisional officer for that side for a day. He don't take police, gendarme, all man. He come out of road, surprise people, them surprise, especially driver the way they carry overload for Palava back to school. You say for August, so they so plenty people for over die more than 100 people lost their life due to accident. Oga senior divisional officer for that side to say so better. This one way the struggle for do and so that for make sure see this so. Making struggle for reduce the rate of accident drivers that they carry overload put the worker will tire them because this so they go when I say prevention routine then do the common for road to the find their own small gumbo the one they will take put for that quad or they will take go pay picking their school fees any man the only finding member say this so it's scary take that money so for driver because they come on cash plenty driver them in less than 1 hour on them motor they go Fourier. So when they upload them, so when they give them big fine, tell me they get for go pay. So all that one so they call the driver they know because driver they know all play with control they and they know so they control when I go I give 500. It they take up. The one this so I go I give colo. The one a colo. They know the one for 1,000. They even know the one for 2,000. Depending on the car overload them. So when they want to talk driver they say so. You carry overload to, you don't carry overload, you will come, policeman will hold you, or chairman will hold you, begin waste your time, waste time. So better you carry overload, you can't reach for road, you take the money, you give, you pass, you begin go, you go reach, begin rest. That's on drive they talk. Who said the country to go? Who the promote now there? This Palava. Mokumu for that set of Palava and this one so for Palava back to school. So even as we talk to Palava back to school, so Elekam to the talk to Palava bye bye oh. Eh? Tomorrow na last day. Last day where the show say any man will never write his name for that list for Elekam book. Say this so he gave for go vote his own president who will want to say maybe Oga Kwata for this country. Even though plenty man you the one who come out. Master, when I leave me that Palava election because side the one pass for carry for them association them like best skin put on a take say how for Douala they join make their own small animation for gather best skin because best skin put over like play noisy. Play the yes small noise. Any man they want come more break they say can't write your name for list so because tomorrow na last day or tomorrow na last day. No say so if you know write your name, you know go fit for their own but plenty people never vote the right name for prepare for vote for this presidential election. They come for 2018. So all man they want to say so master they don't lose hope. Eh? But sometimes being a last time this one will say well they be struggle for vote. New man will go climb for chase, you go change things them, make to and road, make arrange town them. But now they don't even start build 1, 2, 3 feet and they do small work. So they don't even get hope again for that one. But tomorrow na last day, you want to say this. So if you know one like Papa Popo, if you get your own man, one make climb for the chain and take opportunity we give for you and so for take side, go do it. Write your name for Elekam book, then take side so go your Elekam card where if he give you right for say me you go vote, but some people sometimes they will feel can ask against some small time or no ask me to control. Master Jean Fanchomu continue the not to this time around so for talk about this Palava period because only for this month so they talk about 6,250,000 people they don't take side. So write name for Palava Elekam book so for this chapter for bye so we don't remember one day it means 24 hours. Tomorrow by midnight Elekam machine them they go join and all take side so lock and so for talk about it. Master Jean, take we go out and so now you see how put all man they run na Saba side and all over any man they say me go press and so on they say master that thing they do on for side because they don't know side but Elekam say we don't try all thing. Good to put them for market them, go side by side for struggle for play any carry fool would make sure put market them, make allo talk for the best see some they talk so they don't even know side they take side so for go take side so for write name or for do it for give ID for say this so they give chapter for Elekam card so control. But we come for that side so take una go down from boundary because for inside Cameroon, if you tell man say Cameroon get abattoir, they go say you know the abattoir that play the connect for cow, clean cow. The last control we come on Yaoundé for can control that new abattoir when Gaoundé people don't get up. The first abattoir for Cameroon, 90s. It means when they talk to the first abattoir, it means an abattoir where you get international standards. Eh? It means you enter there, you need to see shit, you need to see blood, you need to see camera. See how they kick cow. One time the jag next to knife pass trap. Even for clean cow in body. Now machine it takes that clean amo. Eh? For wash food for cow. Now machine it take time wash and say move all things. You need to see blood bet. See how it wash am. It turn me yang. So Cameroon government don't put money small time they get for inaugurate and they send some special commission say una go verify what are they so that water man they don't take that money they never do bad work or so they don't make sure say me they make sure say me they do fine work and play with the game for the born ways and for destroy for make and they want a modern about for that say oh man they only say why they don't make one so for Yaoundé. Why don't you make one so for Douala? Why don't you make one so for Meda? When you go abattoir them for major town in Western Cameroon, you see na blood. You look me so me go pass you for chop. You know life for chop am. Eh? So they come, the commission come for that side for come control to say so they don't come out in the punky. You know say controller then they will hold the same cap now. Tell the something you know they find they say oh boy Choko no day. Yeah, if you don't get to go mark exo one time so that moon start import come for that side. But no hope to so me the thing takes time work fine for that side so that the better abattoir you didn't have one grounded for that side. Master Jean Fanjo, more come for that side so Master Jean so for talk about this Palava. So come back for this side for littoral belt. So come back for we go talk about Muslim people. They don't prepare. So this is tomorrow Friday. Now they will go for a fête de mouton no for the ala Kubak. Eh? Now big fête where all Hausa man he must make sure say he sacrifice one ram if you know na say no na by force if you no get money because he must call your code according to your side. Even though plain pray to say this year you go like for that side for Kumbu so we plain pray to say he go then this time they not even plenty for market but the price be affordable but the people need to buy that way. Because you go that side with 25,000 you get a he go you can't make map For Douala, if one get he got the thousand are between 150 and to 125,000. Where last year say we talk of he got them for 175,000, 200,000 for one he got. But this year, they did some kind of waiting, no textile work over that side. We almost employed the textile, no prepare for semi the textile, arrange for semi that day, the textile prayer, and that day, no buyer, he go kill her now. You go for wait, say so after Imam don't finish prayer, he take knife, he put for your own he got, he cut and so chwap. Now that time where you two now, you go take side with he, kill your own he got after when I don't finish prayer. For that Friday morning time, you go on a big video, most temple now they don't prepare, one they prepare back to school, other one they struggle now for prepare to for iron, make that better sorrow, so textile, go textile celebrate and two for better way so control here, textile here, the thing happen for inside this we country. As in two, they go to take side so celebrate and two now so traditional doctor and two tomorrow na big day for traditional medicine, African traditional medicine for Africa here where they go take side to for celebrate time. No say tomorrow na day where they will say, Ali na day they for even say me all man in stop for take one man medicine. Then me all man to take now what traditional medicine. Okay. Master Jean Fan, you don't say we go for that side for a Swata village to go talk about landslide palava for that side with this. So people the way they remember their village, they come for that side, can give them small blanket, give them small rice, where landslide because they know say kill some papa them for that side, kill some second class chief them for that side. So they take side don't ever see that die, but they chakara plenty houses that side and for that side for money for a Swata village where they can't give them small thing and give them small chop to this. So when I take side management, even people don't get half for trouble for city. So when trouble happen for your village, when I get for struggle. Gather, make sure someone give them too small thing for support them for say so make their life take side to go before because tomorrow you know tomorrow if you be there one day if you be around be even a 3-story building you one time rain come to so he put it for down some man can give even a one penga you go see that one penga like that one penga like na 10 bread. But if you buy even 100 bread time, we be see they fine. Even the woman say so. You don't remain a year one. Mama don't die. Papa don't die. Now only you and picking so remain. Master no day. He go do. Say they thankful to the remember to forget help them for that side for a so at our kingdom for that side. They take time support them for better way. Countryman. We not forget to for trust a lot for all traditional doctors they prepare tomorrow na their own big day for promote traditional medicine for Douala for side of traditional doctors they struggle do something for that side for Boya Dr. Richard Futu they struggle for organize all his sick people. Say any man get small wound where they make so come for Geneva Healing Hospital for that side for my Vonia Mavio my 16 now for the way all thing will take up we don't big more occasion say this so he go launch to new medicine me say new medicine where he don't struggle more he go put them for outside no say all medicine and all kind so he go put them for the for sure for the world all man give come for outside and price them for medicine tomorrow he struggle say this so he go cut and down you come go for laboratory they test you then he go knock to tell control which be traditional medicine tomorrow so he call all man food for that side for Boya so for big day for these traditional doctors and country people. Any idea we want to say so we only come out we make sure for how traditional doctors today take time for duty and for inside the country. Tomorrow will be another day where we also come out more natural for better way. That thing number Master Jean find the way take side press button for someone see my eye will shine so. We not feel inform we for someone inform the population because we know feel I don't feel for outside no I don't say my eye now on eye. That way don't something me I don't say I don't see them. Even their Android phone, now you go prove and say this so true will be take size and so if you send them for WhatsApp, then which will go more rush come for that side, then make sure say more complete the report, then show them for the entire population. If not, I go come back. So for tomorrow again. Mama Bena, hold on tight with your two for that side.